Former Pakistani Prime Minister Imran Khan has condoled the Iranian nation on the tragic death of President Ibrahim Raisi in a helicopter crash on Sunday. Mr. Khan, in a message from his jail cell, where he has been incarcerated now for 289 days, said, quote, "We are deeply grieved to hear of the tragic deaths of President Ibrahim Raisi and Foreign Minister Hussein Amir Abdullahian in a helicopter crash. They led their country's resolute support for the beleaguered Palestinian people. Our condolences go to the people and leadership of the Islamic Republic of Iran as we stand with them in their hour of grief and trial." Unquote. The Khyber Pakhtunkhwa government, ruled by Imran Khan's Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf, has released funds to bring back thousands of Pakistani students stuck in Kyrgyzstan. Khyber Pakhtunkhwa Chief Minister Ali Amin Gandapur immediately responded to distress calls by students stranded by speaking to the Pakistani ambassador in Bishkek. The PTI Chief Minister activated his cabinet members, including the finance and higher education ministers, by releasing funds and establishing special helplines. There are almost 10,000 Pakistani students in Bishkek who were attacked by violent mobs and some law enforcement officials. A car plowed through a Gaza solidarity demonstration in Islamabad on Monday, killing at least 2 demonstrators. The rally was organized by Jamaat-e-Islami JI Senator Mushtaq Ahmad Khan. According to a spokesperson for the JI, an unidentified man plowed over the demonstrators early this morning. While addressing the participants of the protest, Senator Mushtaq said the administration and the Islamabad police are responsible for the incident, demanding that those responsible for the attack be arrested. The Pakistan military-backed regime has placed an unannounced ban rallies for Gaza. Islamabad High Court IHC Senior Puny Judge Justice Mohsin Akhtar Kayani on Monday said that the intelligence agencies should shed the perception of the involvement in forced abductions. The IHC judge was hearing a petition seeking the recovery of Kashmiri poet Ahmed Farhad Shah. Shah was abducted from his home last week after a satirical poem he wrote on enforced disappearances by Pakistan's intelligence agencies went viral. Quote, "Everyone has to bear the punishment for what the institutions are doing. I want the man, Shah, from the ISI, Inter-Services Intelligence. You should inform the DG ISI, Nadeem Anjum, that the man should be produced at any cost," unquote, said the senior judge. ICC seeks arrest warrants for Israel PM, Defense Minister and Hamas leaders. The International Criminal Court's chief prosecutor, Karim Khan, has announced that he is pursuing arrest warrants for Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu, Defense Minister Yoav Gallant, and 3 Hamas leaders, Yahya Sinwar, Mohammad Diaf, and Ismail Hania. Karim Khan said that he believes Netanyahu, his Defense Minister Yoav Gallant, and 3 Hamas leaders, Yahya Sinwar, Mohammad Diaf, and Ismail Hania, are responsible for war crimes and crimes against humanity in the Gaza Strip and Israel.